The point of this video is, should we look for Mbaka today and we don't see him? What is Ebuka Obi's reaction going to be? Would he pick up the microphone and begin to talk gibberish? Or would he keep quiet? If he pick up the microphone, he will lose more than 70% of all that he is holding on to. All members. Because all of his members are Mbaka's grandchildren.
Igbo mụlụ nze moze kenekwa mụnụ unu anụgo video Ezenwanyi na-ekwu na ka m kwuo ya na ka onye ọbụla ga-eme ntị ka m kwuo ya ka o yesi dị m mma. I don't care what you want to think. I don't care who you are. I don't care how you're going to see it. In all these things Ezenwanyi niile a na-ekwu na-apụta na-ekwu na the only thing that I am angry at this marketing in Mbaka nyeha last week. This marketing in Mbaka nyeha last week, that is the only thing I am angry at. Reverend Fadeji Mbaka marketed Ezenwanyi sheep. Ndị adoration using Ezenwanyi to justify their claim. Because now, let us turn the scenario around. Ọ bụrụ na Ezenwanyi a na-ekwu ile Ebuka Obi, for example now, ha asị na kwụọ ya ụgwọ na Ezenwanyi bụ ndị arenji kwe mana you people are using a video of onye that somebody that have vowed that no nwere ihe dịka Christianity, no nwere ihe dịka miracle, no nwere ihe dịka Jesus Christ, na ha ejego ụka kwụsị n'ihe niile a na-eme bụ arenji. Somebody that open his mouth say na Ebuka Obi na copy arenji n'aka Mbaka bidola arenji. Nyanwakwa unu tụgharịzila around wele ya wee na because no na-ekwulu against onye unu hate. Onye ọbụla wele Ezenwanyi gbali isi ukwu. Shame on all of you. And I will never stand the case in why any man of God on fear ya nkịtị. Mankwe. Because in my own now, I believe in unu kwule Ezenwanyi ụgwọ ka ọ na-ekwu ihe ọ na-ekwu. I believe in no ụgwọ ka unu kwule ya because unu chọ onye external body bịa tinye ọnụ ya ka unu si yes after all ọ na-ekwu unu. How others kedu ụdị eziokwu Ezenwanyi na-achọrọ Christianity ya ekwule gị in between nwanne na nwanne na-enwe misunderstanding allegedly. Kedu ụdị eziokwu Ezenwanyi ekwu in it that will make you to clap si na ọ na-ekwu eziokwu? Onye na-achọrọ gị ndụ, onye na-achọrọ gị ka ịba uru, onye na-achọrọ gị Ezenwanyi na-akụ na miracle adịrọ, mana ọ na-eje na mmiri ka a spiritual force gbuoli ya mkpa, gbuoli ya ndị mmadụ mkpa. Mana Jesus may or say there is nothing like Jesus, there is nothing like spiritual. Mana why are they emphasizing on spiritual water, spiritual goddess anaghị afụ anya? Ana ha na-asị na agwọ gbochi ha mana kọbụrụ abatabe ha elipụ ọsọ. Kọbụrụ abatabe ha elipụ ọsọ. So to my own I'm just seeing it na unu kwule Ezenwanyi agwọ ka ọ bịa na-ekwu all these things. Because if none of you can come out confidently and condemn the evil and injustice done to Ebuka Obi in Enugu State, that means all of you, here the Bible say na you are of your fathers the devil. You are of your father, the devil, the Bible, or people like you. Because when Jesus saw that the elders of the church, the scribes are refusing to say the truth, you ought to say, you brood of vipers, you are of your father, the devil, who is from the beginning, and and he's a liar from the origin. These are the type of people Jesus rebuked in the Bible, or who may exercise it today. This
may be the last video I am talking about Ebuka Obi and Mbaka. Please do well to share this video, because this video may help Ebuka Obi to repent and retrace his steps. Okay, Ebuka Obi must repent. The fact is that Ebuka Obi don't seem to understand that no matter where you are today, no matter who you are, that we are all dying. I don't think he has asked himself if Mbaka dies today. We are not praying for Mbaka to die. As a matter of fact, anything that will happen to Mbaka should come and happen to me. Do you know why? Mbaka does not dwell in self-glorification. Mbaka Mbaka is not the kind that knows how to exhort. In fact, he considers it as in mmadito we. But no bro that na government may ife Mbaka melo. And Igbo gademwa. As one government. The biggest problem with Mbaka is how can you catch him? It's not easy. But when you finally Mbaka will die every second just for you, a nobody, to live. His goodness, His goodness, but I believe any neka about camera. Father Mbaka hine na ya de kwedi testimonies. Look at me. I have an auntie Noye. Around 2018 or 2019, Auntie Noye you will find broad on adoration. I didn't say Auntie Noye no dey exist. Auntie Noye from Utulu Oki Igwe. Unu chonsi agba camera. Auntie Noye ayi tule go ya je ko me fibroid operation. That time if for 200,000. Auntie Noye we collapse no. Banner theater why get ga kamba. From there to adoration. Although that day. Na so ka na anokwa and the solom je nke that day. Mbaka we si no olo esi no ogu. We bia bana. Oye Ebuka operation na ko na ekwu okwu a nwolo we bia Auntie Noye we na the thing si no okpuru okwu. Kuria. Ko na ada. The end point of that order be a toilet na as in she wants to use the toilet and nukuti wano. And again nukuti wano. Auntie Noye bụ nwanne you carry okolo. Oyu tulu Oki Igwe na family okolo ha. Auntie Noye one year why you were shop na layout ebe na akpa isi na shop UK okolo. UK we no the Auntie Noye be no na that shop. Mana Auntie Noye deny area that her testimony because no the as in ibia ewelu the testimony is na bounce na that church. Umo ogbeye emeli ihe. Okworogo go be Ebuka Obi akworogo n'azụ. Oga mụrụ magụ bịarum na mmụọ wee sị m na ọ dị ka ma amara ife o merụ m. And the next day ngoro ihe okwu anụ ozugbo and they went and worshipped him. Gratitude cost us nothing. Before Mbabi made this video, ewere egwu mmụọ tinyere m n'obi. Listen to this song for 1 second. I will conclude this video. Obihe niile nyere gị nje dị ndụ n'ụwa. Ọ bụ ya ka m ji mejọ gị nwa m. Ebuka Obi bụ nwa Mbaka. Iheru nke Mbaka ji ọkpọtago oburu ya otu a. Ude no ihere niile chimu gburu ya. He continued pouring. Oruze today na akọwata that na do you think there is Oburu na achọ Mbaka taa. I'm not saying that Mbaka will die. But after listening to this video, I expect you people to decide now whether you want this problem to be unto death. That man that go to when no one knows your name, when you are just a Lagos coordinator. Is he the one you want to quarrel with today because you have fame? The man who projected you and asked you to have fame. The man who prepared you for the future that you are living in today. I told you that Mbaka will die for you over and over again. That is the kind of heart that he has, and he lacks expression. He may not be able to express himself or say too much. Of course, he's a man of God. You don't want him to go petty. I am the one that came to social media years ago. Well, good. Ebuka Obi bukwa nwa mbaka. Before I be forward, what picture eji acho crowds. The point of this video is, should we look for Mbaka today and we don't see him? What is Ebuka Obi's reaction going to be? Would he pick up the microphone and begin to talk gibberish? Or would he keep quiet? If he pick up the microphone, he will lose more than 70% of all that he is holding on to. All members. Because all of his members are Mbaka's grandchildren. If he picks up the mic, so you cannot talk when he was alive. And if he keeps quiet, you have bad mind. So Ebuka Obi, do you want it this way even unto death? Because the fact is that maybe after I drop this video, I will be passed to the beyond. By God knows what. Maybe I can sleep on this floor and then I will go to the beyond. And that's the end of me. It can happen to any of us that we go to bed. Nobody promised me tomorrow. Nobody promised Ebuka Obi tomorrow. Nobody promised Mbaka tomorrow. Children, be grateful. No matter how small. Know the value. The value of help is dependent on when you were helped. Somebody can come in and give you 1 billion naira. But guess what? Where was that person 10 years ago? The value of help depends on when and how. Anybody can come through for you when you are famous. People like it when you sing their praise. Up the Rolls Royce, hey, America. People love it. But remember, you were nurtured. You are not a reverend father. But almost all that is due to a reverend father is all that you do. You copy the one in Wikuku. You didn't even select to copy 1 million. Everything. You see him singing, you went to studio. The difference is that he is gifted in his music and you aren't. So that side crashed. You copied everything. His words, his talk, his footstep. You used him to chase clouds. And as we are doing all of this, he was still sowing. He said, what did he sow? Does he have to sow money as a spiritual person? What did Elijah sow in the life of Elisha? What? What did John the Baptist sow in the life of Jesus Christ? Even though John the Baptist said, Jesus, you are bigger than me. He said, suffer it to be so. Mbaka sige Ebuka, suffer it to be so. He continued cleansing you. And he teach again. Oluze today, see if you open your mouth. Either you open your mouth and you go and say, Daddy, I am sorry.